Hi guys. On one side, Godaddy established 1977, best known as an affordable domain reseller. On the other, Hostinger established 2004, crowned as the king of cheap hosting world, win in a face between their website builder. Yep, that my goal for today. Video hit hosting your website builder versus Godaddy to see which one is actually good and which one is just Hostinger versus Godaddy. Let's look at the main attraction editing your website. Both builders are small yet optimized tool focus mostly on beginner. The standout aspect of Hostinger is its full drag and drop system, making it easy to customize your site and having more control of its structure. Simple, pick element from the sidebar and drop them onto your design. You can create something that look basic like this or as varied as the. However, the limitation here is the element. You will find around 10 different things to add, but there are not any interesting element like progress bar, slider, or pricing table. It can feel a bit restrictive at time, but I think limitation help beginner not a free lost or discouraged. Now GoDaddy website builder is even more limitation. There no sidebar or element and no drag and drop control. You can only add things in predefined place. There are basic customization options for style and font, but managing them is not very native. GoDaddy does offer a good selection of individual selection from social link. To product display, they allow you to create a more interesting website with pricing list, restaurant menu, or PDF viewer to sum everything up. Editing wise, both are really easy to use tool. If you want to build a simple yet modern website while we are still in the R, there are marketing to topic of money. Let's look at what both website builder can offer business wise. Hostinger website builder is best suited for small scale site while GoDaddy provide a comprehensive business site allowing for greater control. In fact, I would say that GoDaddy marketing tools are the strong side of this builder. GoDaddy stand out with its full-fledged business side. It's allow you user to control social media from one place and handle ad directly without leaving GoDaddy. Additionally, it simplifies email marketing campaign with easy to use template and customization option, making it accessible even for beginner. It's quite impressive how much you get with your subscription. Here marketing is Hostinger weak side. It offers basic feature like an AI logo and text generator which can be useful for independent business. However, there are no email or social marketing tool. You get only basic analytics without any real way to add more functionality. The SEO options are okay and there are not a lot of way to customize your store in general hosting. Your website builder is relatively new and they do have a roadmap with upcoming improvement, but as it is now, it's too restrictive for anything other than a very limited online presence. In GoDaddy versus Hostinger e-commerce term of e-commerce, both platforms offer decent capability, not as extensive as platforms like Shopify, but they do cover essential like selling physical or digital products, scheduling appointment, and accepting donation. However, with Hostinger, there is a hard limit of product you can have. Currently it's 500, and this including variation as well. So even creating a relatively small store, I felt the restaurant with Hostinger GoDaddy is more generous, allowing you to sell 5,000 products and offering a bit better selection of for customization. GoDaddy versus good for stores that want to grow and use marketing to its fullest. Since you are probably not plan pricing and fees looking to build a website for 5 minutes and forget about it, we should look more at about long term pricing. Through as mentioned in the beginner, you cannot beat Hostinger when it's come to cheap plan. You can nab a builder plan for less than $3 a monthly. This including 100 GB of SSC storage space, unlimited bandwidth, a free domain name, weekly backup, and the ability to host up to 100 sites. That the thing I love about hosting. Her it's not restricted, so I feel like I am buying a tool that can be used 100 times. GoDaddy take a different approach to pricing and offer a free plan, not a trial but a full on plan which has subdomain name. Of course, this option cannot be used for e-commerce or online shop and its lack more advanced feature. Premier start from $1 a month, so 4 times as much as hosting you ask. However, your storage space and bandwidth are completely unmatched here, and reason GoDaddy allow this is because these plan for one single website. Another omission is domain name. Now granted it's just $10 a month, but IRD rather an extra $10 then minus one, right? So if we are just counting out hard cash, 5 website with GoDaddy will be around $15, and 5 website built with Hostinger will be $3 a month.